Say the sweetest things when the lights are low. Whispers in the dark that nobody knows. You trace your promises on my skin, but fade like shadows when the day begins. I've seen your eyes when you let me in, but only after midnight sins. Tell me, am I more than a place to fall, or just a name you can't recall? I don't want your love when it's easy to give. I want the version of you that's scared to live. Don't just love me when the world is asleep. Love me when it's real, when the cost runs deep.